Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you if iPhone is exposing you, fix these hidden Safari settings. So without wasting any time, let's jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So what you can do first is simply turn on prevent cross-site tracking. This blocks advertisers from following you across different websites. To do is simply head over and open up your settings. Then inside settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on apps. Inside apps, what you need to do is scroll down and then find Safari and then simply tap on it. And once you're inside the Safari, what you need to do is under privacy and security, you'll find an option that says prevent cross-site tracking. Simply toggle this on, and then the next method that you can do is block all unknown trackers by simply heading over to your settings once again. Then inside Safari, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and then select advanced on the bottom. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is select advanced tracking and protection. And now here, what you need to do is select all browsing. Then the next method that you can use is hide your IP address from the trackers. Stop websites from identifying or locating by IP. To do, simply head over once again to the settings. Then inside Safari, what you need to do is scroll all the way down, and then under privacy and security, you will find an option that says hide IP address from. Then simply select that, and then once you're inside here, you'll find an option that says from trackers. Simply select that, and then it will hide your IP address from trackers. Then next is by enabling fraudulent website warning. Simply head over back to the Safari settings, and then once you're inside there under privacy and security, you'll find an option that says fraudulent website warning. Simply toggle this on, and which protects you from phishing and scam websites. You can also select clear history and website data, and then tap on clear history, which Safari stores website data secretly even after clearing history. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.